Hello guys, let's solve test LeetCode POTD. Sort the jumbled numbers. You are given a zero indexed integer array mapping which represent the mapping rule of a shuffled decimal system. Mapping of I equal to j means digit I should be mapped to the digit j in the system. The mapped value of an integer is a new integer obtained by replacing each occurrence of digit I in the integer with mapping I for all 0 to 9 I. You are also given another nums. Return the nums sorted non-decreasing order based on the mapping values of its elements. Elements with same mapped value should appear in the same relative order as the input. Elements of the nums should be sorted based on their mapped values, not replaced by. So let's solve it, guys. First, let's understand the question. So let's do it, guys. So for 9, that means you have to convert this to another numbers, right? So for this, what we will do is, so these are indexes, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 should be converted to 6, right? 9 should be converted to 6 and 1 should be converted to 9. So this number is converted here. 3 is converted to 0, right? And 3 is 0 and 8 should be converted to 7. Okay, so this is the second number and this should be third number. So basically what he is saying is we have to sort these numbers. So let's sort them. 7 7 both are same, so same order. See, he is telling the same thing here. Note, if there are same values, relative order should be printed. See, so what is the relative order? 3 3 8 and 3 8. So 3 3 8 should come first. So let's sort them. So as these both are same, we should print the relative order. So 0 7 and 6 6 9, right? 6 6 9. Now if you convert 0 0 7 to this number, right? So 0 0 7 is 338, 0 7 is 338 and 669 is 991. So that's the answer. So yeah, 338, 38 and 991. So that's it, guys. So we have to complete this one. This is the question. But if there are equal values, we should print the relative order in this one. So what is the relative order here will be printed here. Okay, so let's find a logic, guys. Actually might not maybe the optimal one, but mine worked out fine and mine is very easy to do also. So I'm telling this method to you. Mine may not be the optimal one. So first what I will do is I'll create a map, not an ordered map, single map, only map, int and vector. Okay, so this is a map I'll create. Okay, after this what I will do is first I'll write a function, int function. What does this function do is, and this function will take a number and let me read clearly. I'll write it here. Create a function that returns an integer. What it will take is it takes an integer n and mapping, this mapping. Okay, so yeah, this mapping it will take. What does this do is it converts this number to basically 669, right? 669, yeah, 1, yeah, so 669. So this function converts this number and to this number and it returns to us 669. So this function I'll write normally. It's easy, guys, it's very easy. I'll take a string and I will convert it. So I'll convert that final result to, or you can write power, means you can use power function while I'll tell it to you in the code. So no problem with that. So first function, I'll write a function. After this I'll create a map here. Now what does this map do is, now what I'll do is I'll iterate in the in the nums array. So I equal to 0 to nums, or you can use iterator also in the nums array. Now what I will do is I'll convert means I'll take an integer array and I'll convert this number. I'll check every number. I'll convert this number to original number, means 991 to 661, and I will store it in the map. So what I will do, mpp of 661. Now in the map vector, right? So map 661 means it's a vector actually. So I'll push back this value. Which value is there? That value. Now I'll push back nums of I. So now what does map 661 contains is the means the converted values. Some converted values will be there, right? So 991 is converted to 669. So map of 669, right? So map of 669 contains the elements which means suppose there can be 3 or 4 any elements. Means if we convert x y z through mapping, we'll get 669. So map 669 contains them, and relative order will not miss, right? See, if I add from here to here, means 338 and 38 are similar, right? Both are 7 and 7. So when I come in a relative order, it doesn't change. So relative order also doesn't change. So map 669 and everything like that, as we know that. And after this, what I'll do is I'll run a last for loop in the map. It's auto IT map through iterator. Now we know that in the map it's sorted, means initially when we push that elements it will be sorted, right? So in the map I iterate to the every element and I'll push back in the answer. I'll iterate to the element in the map, means in the map there is a vector, right? So through that element I will go and I will push back the answer. So that's the logic, guys. So let's solve it. Let's go it out, guys. So okay, after it, let me write the base case, means the edge case afterwards. Okay, now this is the answer. Okay, what does this do is I'll tell you. Means this stores the connoted value and n and into equal to 10. Okay, and answer plus equal to map n percentage 10 into 10. Yeah, and n by equal to 10. So that's it. Now return answer. So that's it. Now what this is, yeah, if n equal to 0, return map of 0. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is I'm going through every element. Yeah, see, you can see it here. Suppose this is the same code I wrote down there. If any number is there, I'm going to the means every digit of that number and I'm converting. Suppose 1 2 3 4 is there, I'll go through every number and I will convert to the mapping, and after mapping I will add it to the answer. Means basically this is 1 into 10 cube plus 2 into 10 square. That's it, right? So I'm converting the answer and returning the answer. These are normal numbers, but if it's for 0, this doesn't enter into the for loop, right? This code doesn't enter into the for loop. So I should return, means I will return the wrong answer actually. So that's why I'm writing the starting itself. Other than anything 0, it works because here n is there, so it works actually. But if 0 is there, it doesn't work because I told you, right? If 0 is there, it doesn't enter to the for loop, so it returns the different one. So it returns a different answer. So okay, next what I'll do is I'll create a vector in this int and map, not map, or not map, I'll create an answer actually. Okay, after this I'll create a map int and vector. So that's it. After this what I will do is I'll iterate in the nums array, right? So for iterating in the nums array, yeah, I less than dot size I plus plus. You can use iterator actually, that's a more convenient way. Now okay, now int a. Now no need to write a here, just for convenience purpose I'm writing. Okay, what does a is? It converted value actually. MPP. Okay, mapping. Now what I'll do is I'll push back, right? Obviously I'll push back num say, so that okay, that's it. Now what I will do is, now what is this map contains is, I told you, right? It contains the connoted values and the corresponding values. So for auto IT, you can say map, well, iter the map, right? Auto IT dot second. So IT dot second means C++ HCL collection, means it goes to the vector. We are storing here vector, right? So that vector. Now what we will do is push back I. Yeah, that's it, and return answer. I hope it works fine. Yeah, it should work fine, I'm thinking. Something wrong. 1 minute, guys. Okay, somewhere I done a mistake. Yeah, here I write. Sorry. Here, I write. We are adding the power. So that's it. Now I think it should work. Yeah, submit it. Yeah. So yeah, mine is not that good time complexity, but it's a unique way. It's not unique way. That's normally easy way to understand. So that's it, guys. We'll meet today. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay.